Statement 14. You are not a victim. You may be under the authority of an elder or guardian. You may have the responsibility of a role or position. You may have had a traumatic experience that makes you question yourself, your life, and other people to a troubling degree. Those circumstances do not make you a victim. As a human being, you get to define who and what you are. You are not a victim to your circumstances. Those circumstances make you a person who is alive in this world, having a human experience. You are more than capable of rising above those tough moments. When you're young, you have to listen to your parents and teachers, but you are still living your own life. When you're older, you have to listen to bosses, clients, and superiors. But you are still living your own life. Those people may contribute to your collection of experiences, but they are not your experience. You are your experience. Everything you've lived through, another person has lived through. Our human experiences are unique because we live our moments in our own time and space. But our trials are as ancient as humanity itself. What has happened to you in tragedy and joy has happened to someone else. You are not alone. You are not a victim. You are a human being who has experienced and overcome. And you have become stronger in doing so.